What is it? Thank you.
Most difficult thing.
Discipline, prep, navigating the institutional culture.
Right.
Reina told me, Reina, one of the veteran colleagues, Reina. Are you kidding me?
Mostly international students.
Fair.
Why you identify yourself as a minority?
Sounds good.
So you were born in Hawaii.
Hawaii, yeah.
Why do you think people see you as a minority faculty?
The most immediate one is I am a person of color. By virtue, I'm not white passing. There's some Filipinos who are lighter skin, and it's weird. I was going back and forth between Hawaii and Philippines because most of our students are young white females.
Female, right?
And
Middle class.
yeah. So it's always fun when I walk into the classroom for the first time because, oh, that's our professor, that kind of thing. You get that sort of sensation.
Right, like foreigner.
Yeah.
So and this is your first semester, right? What are some things or one thing that you're unexpected?
This type of work is entirely new to me. Literally a coin flip between going back and working here.
Do you have any one example, like specifically, not as a teacher, but as a professor? What are things that you're unexpected?
That's a great question, Reina. The one thing that I'm figuring out is the institutional culture here. And no matter who joins the organization, people still have those prior memories. I don't know what those memories are, what relationships people had before with each other. It's interesting to navigate that because if you talk, do stuff, you're not quite sure if you're adding to those memories or if you're bringing them up.
Really unspoken culture that you just have to navigate yourself.
Yes, you have to be. Someone gave me advice. I don't remember, one of our colleagues here, a veteran colleague, said, just watch people.
I think I told you.
Oh, there you go. Reina told me, Reina, one of the veteran colleagues, Reina, told me to, watch people.
Observation matters.
Yeah.
But you did so well.
Oh, you're right.
You're a rising star.
What is it? Thank you. It's this, my bad. Yeah.
Heart.
Or the super big one.
See, you're fast learner.
Thank you. Oh boy, yeah, that's actually the other one is prepping for classes. I spent my entire summer prepping.
Nobody actually teaches you how to teach college students, right?
You pick it up. There is a significant chunk of self-discipline in this profession where no one else is going to tell you how to set up a room, your tech. It's all the little stuff that becomes that institutional knowledge, that hard-won institutional knowledge. So it kills me when someone who's a veteran just leaves. That's gone.
Okay, here's your classroom.
Okay. Yeah.
Next question. One thing you think you wish you knew about a college teacher?
Yeah, that they have no idea what's going on either. Yikes. Are you kidding me? I don't know what word you get. No matter what title you have, the people behind that title, with all their publications, right, or whatever, their service commitments, they're human beings. They have families that they're taking care of. They have debts that they're paying. I would strongly encourage your viewers to question why they would want a PhD. There is prestige behind it. That is one of the first things that my advisor told me why they even did it. Respect and that freedom that we talked about. I would strongly encourage you to wonder, why do you need a PhD? It is demanding, it is stressful. It has caused innumerable relationships to break for many folks, including myself.
True.
I think I'm gonna speak for you. I think you're having fun too.
Me?
Yeah.
I am.
Okay, right?
I am.
So yeah, there is something fun about this. You need a healthy sense of what exists and where you fit in that place of what exists. What communities need me that I can help out with? And do I need 3 letters after my name after that? Oh, and if you're in a field that has jobs afterwards, I have a lot of friends who they're having a hard time finding work too. So I'm just lucky special education has a shortage. It's always had a shortage, but thanks, Arena.
Our next question is,
one thing I like about being a professor. Can I give 2?
Oh, you can give many.
Okay, I'll give 3 then. I like 3. The strategy game there, and
professors have games in his office. You.
And I also have really bad. I think I was putting in 65-hour weeks.
Here, sometime in the future, can you talk about how we manage say time management in the future?
Sure, yeah. Well, as a preview, I don't. That's why I spend so much time. I'm slow.
You have to be very specific and have very specific and clear goal of each day and each week and each month and each semester and each year.
Yes, ideally.
But,
Ideally.
I want to give you one tip.
Yeah, please. Let me make a note then. That's a good one. I take notes. You gotta take notes.
Yeah. So just like articles, like if you give your manuscript to 10 different reviewers, they will all give you different feedback, right?
Yeah.
Teaching as well.
Qualitative feedback.
You constantly have to improve and constantly have to make adjustments because even if you teach the same content at the same time.
But thank you for the tip. That's a valuable tip.
Ask a student in the beginning of the semester, in what ways do you learn the best?
Ah,
What do you like about my class?
right.
What are things that I could improve for you to learn the best?
That's powerful. That's powerful teaching. That's formative feedback.
I would say continuous improvement.
That's the whole goal.
I'm not a perfect teacher, I'm not a perfect instructor. When I try to hear their voices, they know that I'm trying.
Yeah, to add to what you said, Reina, which is best teaching practice. You need regular feedback. Yeah, I do something called exit tickets, which, Reina, you're doing, it sounds like. But this exit ticket has 3 items. What did you learn this week?
All right.
What's still confusing?